What is your greatest fear?
Tangible or intangible?
Tangible. Okay, what do you think is Jean's greatest tangible fear?
I don't know whether it's considered tangible. I think losing her mother is a tangible fear.
That's a very good answer, but it's not correct.
Oh my god,
But it's definitely correct one.
Yeah, it is lah. I mean,
but it's no, according to this, it's not correct.
That's why I tell you, tangible and intangible, you have to define it. This is tangible. Losing a mother is tangible.
I didn't think of that. Yeah, it is a...
Okay, so what is a fear bigger than losing a mother? You should.
There's no fear bigger than losing my mom.
Bees and
Bees.
She's more scared of bees than mother passing her away, okay?
Okay, you still get 0 points because according to the rules, it's what's written in the paper.
Huh? Oh, this GL.
Stupid GL.
Yeah, so you still lose a point.
Okay, your turn.
Alright, what is her most greatest fear?
Cockroaches.
Alright,
Losing a mother.
cockroaches.
Yes.
You mean saying that losing a mother is not down to earth?
I'm not saying that it is not a tangible fear idea.
Mom and cockroach and bees is the
Alright
same.
guys, this is getting a bit out of hand.
That's why I tell you.
GM's decision is final. 0 point.
I want
1
to give
point.
her that point because it is true.
Gian Kayu.
Okay.
Write down 2 qualities of your ideal partner. Yeah.
I'm thinking
What
about
is he thinking?
Okay.
Personal guess. Reasonable.
Okay.
Independent.
Okay. Oh shit, that's what you know it's not answer already.
No, she already wrote.
You guess first. So that I know whether it's fair or what.
Hers romantic. I don't want to say something physical.
But it is lah.
No, I think it's a given that, like, you know,
It's a given.
if you even consider a person, it means that person is already naturally attracted to
Already
you.
past the physical stage,
Right?
Okay,
So then that's a given.
okay, fine.
Romantic and smart.
Interesting.
Interesting. Damn.
I mean, it's there, I didn't think that.
Okay, what do you think is Yvonne's partner, most ideal partner? 2 qualities.
Independent.
I already said independent already.
Sorry, I was not paying attention.
Okay, restart.
Restart.
Look like that. You really are the finals today.
Funny, yeah. No.
Can or not?
I wouldn't say funny because there are people that you laugh with and there are people you laugh at.
You're right.
Funny is people you laugh at, and I cannot be with people whom I laugh at.
Okay, guess another one.
Okay, so stressful. Light-hearted. No, I cannot. I can't. Just give me the...
Okay, the correct 2 answer is witty, which is
Yes.
close to funny,
What? So
and,
close.
and committed.
Yes.
Yours, I think the first one has to be
Never.
funny
No.
right? No. Non-crazy.
The answer is stable.
Okay.
One more.
Understanding.
No.
Okay, what is it?
Open to new experiences.
Actually, it is quite...
Oh, what kind of new
What
experience?
kind of new experiences? That's like
No, okay, what I was trying to say is that like...
kinky.
No! You think that when I say open, it's like open-mindedness to like whatever weird shit that you guys think that I do. But no, that's not what I meant. Like, I meant someone who is open and willing to understand.
So understanding.
So actually, yeah, you can get them up.
Yay! 2 points!
Because if you're always close-hearted, then like you can't really work through anything. Right?
That's true.
Final question.
Okay.
This is supposed to be the easiest, but I think not. What is each other's birthday?
Huh?
Let's have a 3-point system. If you get the day right, it's 1 point. If you get the month right, it's another point. If you get the year right, it's another point. So you get 3 points for getting correct. Okay, our guess for Jean, right? Personally, 9th of July.
Yes.
Oh my god! I was so close! I wrote 8.
Ah, damn it!
You know why not? Because Akachan's day, I was with you celebrating our birthday, but I celebrate after 12 is 9. Oh my god, stupid!
Yes.
Okay, so 2 points for Yvonne. She got the day wrong, the month and year right. You?
Didn't even get a month right.
Ah, it's June, right? It's June. See? I almost got it. It's June. I get 1 point.
You didn't bother to write the day, wow.
Oh my god.
I meant the days. I'm good at
What's
other
the
things,
day?
like remembering your allergies. Okay.
Okay, so that's
Oh
it.
yes,
Ah,
the results.
I won lah.
8 points to Yvonne, 7 points to Jean. So our winner for today is Yvonne.
Better friend.
Actually, we tied because I gave you a point. Remember?
So you're being a good friend but giving me a point.
Yeah.
So we are both great
So I
friends.
am. Yeah.
Okay, everyone's happy. Yay!
Okay.
I'm the best.
Bye.
Bye. See ya next week.
Yeah.
Next week, guys. If you ask me next week,
Yes.
next week must go again.
Yep.